Acer Nitro V 16 gaming laptop features a stunning 16-inch WUXGA IPS display with a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate. I have provided the link to this gaming laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Equipped with the most powerful AMD Zen 4 Octa-Core Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, this laptop easily outperforms many competitors including Intel's i7-12700H, making it ideal for both gaming and demanding professional tasks. The 32GB RAM ensures effortless multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications or heavy games without lag or slowdown. With a massive 1TB SSD, the Nitro V16 offers fast boot times and ample storage space for your games, files, and creative projects. The dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8GB of VRAM provides excellent graphics performance, supporting ray tracing and AI-enhanced visuals to bring your games to life with rich detail and smooth frame rates. Connectivity is comprehensive with two USB 3.2 ports, a versatile USB-C port, HDMI 2, 1 output, and a gigabit Ethernet port for stable wired internet connection. The Backlit keyboard is a gamer's delight, ensuring comfortable typing and gameplay even in low-light environments. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed with useful features and a modern interface optimized for both productivity and entertainment. Additional features like DTS, X Ultra audio technology, and AI noise reduction enhance the overall experience by delivering immersive sound and clear voice communication during multiplayer gaming sessions or video calls. The laptop also comes with a webcam, an authorized HDMI cable, a USB-C adapter, and a custom Xbox skin, rounding out a package designed to appeal to gamers and creators alike. Overall, the Acer Nitro V16 gaming laptop combines power, speed, and a vibrant display to meet the demands of modern users looking for top-tier gaming performance and productivity in one sleek, black chassis. Whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming, this machine is built to deliver consistently impressive results with high-end components and solid build quality. Its balanced mix of powerful hardware and advanced features makes it a reliable choice for enthusiasts wanting a competitive edge without compromise.